Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Imagine this. You're walking through the streets of Lisbon. Narrow alleys, warm sunlight, the sound of distant music. A local looks at you, smiles, and suddenly, it's your turn to speak. Your heart races, your mind goes blank, but then you say it. Hola. And just like that, you're in the conversation. Today, you're going to learn how to do exactly that. Real European Portuguese for real daily life. Spoken slowly, clearly, naturally. By the end of this video, you won't just understand Portuguese. You'll start speaking it. Let's begin. In Portugal, greetings are simple, but meaningful. Listen and repeat. Olá, hello. Bom dia, good morning. Boa tarde, good afternoon. Boa noite, good evening. How are you? Como está? Formal. Como estás? Informal. Responses. Estou bem. I'm well. Tudo bem? All good. Mais ou menos. So-so. Mini conversation. A. Olá, como está? B. Estou bem. E você? Let's introduce yourself. Eu chamo-me. My name is. Eu chamo-me Alex. You can also say, o meu nome é. My name is. To ask, como se chama? What is your name? Where are you from? De onde é? Answer, sou das Filipinas. I'm from the Philippines. Mini conversation. A. Olá, como se chama? B. Eu chamo-me João. Sou das Filipinas. O quê? What? Onde? Where? Quando? When? Por quê? Why? Example. Onde fica a casa de banho? Where is the bathroom? You're at a cafe now. Se faz favor, please. Eu queria. I would like. Eu queria café. More. Eu queria água. I would like water. To ask for the bill. A conta, se faz favor. Mini conversation. A. Boa tarde. O que deseja? B. Eu queria café. A. Mais alguma coisa? B. Não, obrigado. Onde fica? Where is? Onde fica a estação? Where is the station? Direita? Right. Esquerda? Left. Em frente? Straight ahead. Obrigado. Obrigada. Thank you. De nada. You're welcome. Por favor. Please. Desculpe. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's combine everything. Olá. Como está? Estou bem. E você? Eu chamo-me Alex. Sou das Filipinas. Eu queria café. A conta, se faz favor. Obrigado. You see? You're already speaking Portuguese. Learning a language is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, speaking. Every word you say builds confidence. Every conversation opens a door. So next time you hear Portuguese, don't hesitate. Don't overthink. Just speak. Because now, you can. Até logo. See you soon.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.